Good afternoon, everybody. Uncle Bill OGorman here at the Royal Nissan store on Route 281. And over my shoulder, you'll see a couple of our certified Subaru products. The Subaru Crosstrek, the Subaru Forester. And if you're looking for the best value in a pre-owned vehicle, take a look at what we have here at Royal Nissan Royal Subaru. We offer factory certified pre-owned vehicles, both Nissan and Subaru. That gets you the best of both worlds. A vehicle that you know is safe, reliable, and trustworthy, and a break on the price. A lower cost that you and your family can enjoy. Now, these vehicles as certified go to the factory standards. 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranties with 0 deductible. If you'd like to know more about the savings and the value that these kind of vehicles can offer you and your family, then give me a call at 607-543-1215. That's 607-543-1215. Or stop and see me at Royal Subaru on Route 281 in Cortland. I look forward to seeing you soon.